everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow notifications on Mango Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, press and hold Mango Live application. Tap on the info icon. Now onto this privacy section, tap on notifications. Tap the switch icon in order to allow all the notifications for Mango Live. And that is how you can easily allow notifications on Mango Live. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.